Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Maya.
Hi, learners. We're happy you are here with us today.
Today, we are learning how to talk about your travel plans in English.
Yes, a very useful topic. Everyone travels, everyone takes trips, and everyone needs English for travel.
So, stay with us to practice speaking.
And remember to like, subscribe, and comment to support our channel.
So, are you planning any trips soon?
Actually, yes, I want to take a small trip next month.
Really? Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the mountains. I want fresh air and maybe hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. That's the real travel goal.
Yes, the hot chocolate dream.
I think all of us want that. Okay, let's teach the learners how to talk about travel plans in simple English.
First, let's learn some useful phrases. Repeat after us. I'm planning to go to. I want to visit. I'm thinking about traveling to. I will go next week, next month, or next year. My travel plan is. I'm taking a trip to.
Very easy. Very useful.
Yes. For example, I'm planning to go to Japan.
Or, I want to visit the beach this weekend.
Now, you try at home. Say one place out loud.
Don't be shy. Even small practice helps. Okay, let's start today's main conversation.
Yes, this is a simple story about two friends planning trips.
Hey, are you busy next month?
Not really. Why?
I'm planning to go on a trip.
Nice. Where are you going?
I'm going to visit Cambodia
Wow. Why Cambodia?
because I want to see the temple and Angkor Wat and the night markets. And, of course, eat mango sticky rice.
Ah, yes. The true reason for travel. Food.
Always food.
How long will you stay?
1 week. I want to relax.
Good idea. What will you do there?
I will swim, eat, shop, and maybe sleep a lot.
Sounds like a perfect trip.
And you? Any travel plans?
Yes, I'm thinking about traveling to Korea.
Korea. Why Korea?
I want to try real Korean BBQ.
We both travel for food.
Yes, that is our tradition.
What will you do there?
I will eat BBQ, visit markets, and buy too many snacks.
I support this plan.
Let's learn some useful words from the story.
Repeat after us. Plan. Meaning, to decide something for the future. Trip. A short journey. Visit. Go to see a place. Stay. Spend time in a place. Market. A place to shop. Relax. Rest. Feel calm. Barbecue. BBQ. Grilled meat.
Easy words, but very important for travel English.
Yes, and remember, repeating helps you learn faster.
Now, it's your turn to practice.
We will say a sentence. You finish it. I'm planning to go to blank.
Good. Next one. I want to visit. Great job. Last one. I will travel next.
Excellent. You are doing very well.
Today, we learned how to talk about travel plans.
We practiced simple dialogues, vocabulary, and future tense.
We talked about beach trips, city trips, food trips, many fun things.
Now, you can talk about your travel plans in English more confidently.
Now it's your turn.
Today's question is, what is your travel plan for the future?
Write your answer in the comments.
Use this sentence. My travel plan is to go to